Can you make the letter sound? We can show you how. Let's learn about the letter B. B. This is the capital B. This is the small b. You know how the B looks now. Let's make the letter B sound. Ba 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 ba. B is for ball. Ba ba ball. B is for baby. Ba ba baby. B is for bus. Ba ba bus. B is for banana. Ba ba banana. Next letter is C. Please subscribe my channel. Asalmualikium friends. I am your little star Anabiyamaham.